Okay, everybody's hating on Trump, but I remember this, and I just wanted to bring this back because this is prevalent to people's income, people's livelihood. Watch this.
With regard to the construction of the Keystone Pipeline, something that's been in dispute, and it's subject to a renegotiation of terms by us. We're going to renegotiate some of the terms, and if they'd like, we'll see if we can get that pipeline built. A lot of jobs, 28,000 jobs.
So what y'all think? First 100 days, 28,000 jobs gone. Comment below. Let me know what you think. Subscribe to my channel. And also hit the bell icon to get notified when I upload new videos. Man, I love y'all, man. And I pray that people begin to wake up to the fact that I understand about he's pressing with this unity, but there's no harmony. I love y'all, man. Y'all take care. In Jesus' name.